Great. So this is a continuation of the explanation on how you do syllabication in Spanish. Be aware that there are the five vowels. Some of them are called weak vowels and some are called strong vowels. In fact, you and I are the weak vowels. You remember that by just simply saying you and I are weak. Like, you and I are weak. The weak vowels are a little different. Being weak, they have to lean on a strong vowel. So the idea is a weak vowel can't be independent. It cannot be in its own syllable. So take a word like puede. You have to ask yourself, would that be three syllables? So in other words, would it be pu, e, de? Theoretically, it could, until you realize that u is a weak vowel. And so the rule says a weak vowel can't stand in its own syllable over here with the p. It's going to need a strong vowel. So what you have to do is pull the strong vowel over here into this other syllable, this first syllable. So it actually would be one syllable here and then a second one here. So you really only have two syllables altogether. So understanding which vowels are weak and which ones are strong can help you get your syllables separated, and it'll help you know how many syllables a word has. So don't say puede, say puede. And I have a little video of a bunch of people saying that in Spanish. This was made by students in Mexico who had to do a social protest to get free education. Muy bien. So this word again, yes you can, or you can do it. Si se puede. Weak vowel, strong vowel combination. Let's see if we have a different example here that we can use. So to split a weak vowel away from a strong vowel, if you ever needed to do that, you have to give it a written accent mark. Let's look at this example, the word day, which we used to mean morning, good morning, buenos dias. If there's no accent mark here on the I, this is a weak vowel, you and I are weak. So this is one syllable right here. This would normally be pronounced dia, dia, one syllable. Same here, dias, dias, one syllable. That's not right. In Spanish, this is a two-syllable word. So what you do is you put a written accent mark over the weak vowel I. That makes it strong, so now it can stand alone in its own syllable with the D. So now we have two syllables. It breaks this up into two syllables. Dias. Say good morning with two syllables in Spanish on that word. Buenos dias. Buenos dias. And don't forget to put your accent mark over that I to make that weak vowel a strong one and allow it to break off into another syllable. Additionally, always remember that you should stress a word on the syllable that has the written accent mark. So if you ever see a written accent mark on a word in Spanish, that's where you put the stress. Buenos dias, buenos dias. Muy bien.